Hello and welcome to another mini course presented by the Center for Teaching Excellence. Today we're going to cover keyframing in Adobe Premiere. First off, let's make that graphic we made last time slide into the video. Here you can see I opened the project we were working on last time, and what I want to do is make this rectangle, this graphic that we created last time, slide into the video. So I'm going to select my graphic on the timeline, which brings up my FX controls. Up here, near position, we can see a little stopwatch. And if we click that stopwatch, it will create a keyframe. And a keyframe is a key point in an animation where something happens. Now, if I adjust this number here, I can drag my rectangle off of the screen. And if I scrub my playhead, we can see that nothing is happening right now. And the reason nothing is happening is because we only have one keyframe. Now, if we add a second keyframe, it tells us that the animation is changing over time. So, if I scrub my playhead over, then adjust the position once again of my rectangle to be on screen, we now have two keyframes, which creates an animation. We have our end keyframe, what we're on now, and if I scrub back, we have our beginning keyframe, where the rectangle is off the screen. If I push the play button, we can see what that animation looks like. Now up here in our effect controls, we can see two diamonds. Each diamond represents a keyframe. And if I adjust these diamonds by dragging them, I can make the animation shorter. You watch, it'll be faster now. Or I can drag it out and make it longer so the animation is slower. Let's use the same technique to fade out a video. First, I'll select the video that I want to fade out. I will scrub my playhead to the end. I'm going to go up to Effects Controls, and notice by default opacity already has the stopwatch clicked, which means it's ready for animation. So I'm going to make this 0%, and I just clicked and dragged to make it 0%. Now I'm going to scrub my playhead back, go back to where it says 0%, and make it 100%. Since the stopwatch is selected, it created a second keyframe. Now if I scrub my playhead back, push play, we can see the video fading out. Alright, let's practice that one more time to make sure you're comfortable with it. So this time, I want to make my type fade out. So I'm going to select my type layer. I'm going to scrub my playhead back. I want my type to fade out at the end of the video. I'm going to go to opacity, which I'm scrolling down here for because of my type options. I'm going to set that to 0. Scrub my playhead back. Set it to 100. And then now when we push play, my bar comes across and my type fades away. We are nearing the end of today's course, so I'm going to go and select File and Save. Once again, keep in mind this is a file only for Premiere. It's not a shareable file yet. Wondering about that shareable file? Well, guess what? Next time we're going to talk about rendering, and we're going to turn your Premiere project into an MP4 that can be shared on YouTube and Stream. Want to share some teaching techniques? Feel free to drop by the Center for Teaching Excellence, share some techniques with us, and we'll share some techniques with you.